And this is what we get, the kind of damage we get from Mother Gaia and Mother Nature. I would like the EPA and the Forest Service, Department of Interior, to charge Mother Gaia. And Mother Gaia is Earth First, is also, what is it? The Wildlands Project. This is the damage they do. This is the damage that the environmentalists do. They by their religion, it's their cause. I blame this damage on the Forest Service and their environmental groups that damage this, as their religion is Gaia, Mother Nature. Mother Nature, then if they're charged, that means extinction. When a church gets sued for doing something contradictory to law or whatever, they can lose their tax status. And religions have been sued, churches have been sued before. Ask the Catholic Church. When their people cause damage, they're held responsible. And just ask the Catholic Church on how much money they have to pay out. So I say the environmental groups are a religion. Their God is Mother Gaia or Mother Nature, and I demand they pay restitution to the state of Oregon of $1.7 trillion for all the economic damages they've made. And anybody that wants to help eliminate KS Wild is the worst offender. Earth First, any of these environmental groups, you know who they are out there. You know who you are. You're responsible for this. I demand you come and fix it. Oh, I'm gonna fix it, because see, I'm gonna mine it. And this shows the nature is worse damage than a few dredgers in a creek. And I propose to ban environmental groups from their tax status and have them revoked. And this is because of the cause of damage. Have a nice day, and I hope this goes viral.